Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw another easy ghost emoji. This time this is the Google ghost emoji. So let's start by just drawing a upside down U for the top of his head, like that. And we're going to continue this down to about here in a big curve. And continue on just a little past that line. Let's continue this, going down this way, going in a little bit, and then it's going to curve into this line here. So from here, let's go down and then start curving up for the tail and meet up with that line. Let's draw his arms. They're going to be kind of going upward. So starting here from the shoulder, we're going to go up, start curving the end, and then make it wider as we get back to the body. And we'll do the same on this side, starting at the shoulder, go up, start curving it, and then back down to the body, making the arm wider as we get to the body. Right about where the arms are coming out, we'll draw the big smile, the mouth. So from here, we're going to draw a shallow curve from one side to the other. And coming off the top line then, we'll draw the tongue, and it just goes down. Just a basic U shape. Couple lines first, and curve the bottom. Alright, let's extend this mouth a little bit, curve the ends, and start forming the bottom of the mouth with a curve that goes behind the tongue. We can now blacken the mouth. And we can thicken the upper line. Next will be the eyes. Let's draw his left eye first, and it's going to be right above the right side of the tongue here, right here. Let's just start forming a circle for the pupil. And we'll draw the right eye starting from here. This one's kind of winking at you, so we'll draw a curved line going this way, and then another line that goes out to the left from the corner. We can now make this line a little bit thicker. And finally, I'll use my thinner marker to draw another circle around this eye, trying to make it as even as I can. And I'm going to make it just a little bit thicker. I'm just going to thicken some of the lines. So one last thing I'm going to do is draw a couple shadow lines. And this just indicates the darker part of his color, like below the arms there and right here. And the body line will be right here, from here to there. So starting at the right side of the head, just draw a nice curve all the way to the other side. And that's it. This was the Google ghost emoji. Pretty easy. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.